Hey ladies, it's Sam with Paperbesos. Just wanted to come on and do an unboxing. I was part of a swap with Tamara, who is Urban, what is her name? I'm sorry, it's late. Urban Forager, sorry. I'm going to try and be good this time. I'm sorry. But I'll put all her links, and she has a really nice, sorry, words have not been good for me today. It's one of those days. She has a really nice Etsy shop. That's what I was looking for. And she's always got really cute stuff on there. So, be sure to go check her out. I'll put all the links to her, to her social media. So I'm about to find out whose 3 swaps I got. A little excited because some of them look vaguely familiar because, we've been going through and looking at all the videos that she's posted of her unboxings of, all of the swaps coming into her before she shipped them out to us. So I'm really excited to see which ones I got. So I'm going to start with this one on the left. So it was send 3, receive 3. Of course, all of us sent 4 so that we could take care of our hostess. And we were going to do Valentine theme, as you can tell, loaded pockets. There was sequin mix involved. There was bows or rosettes that could be sent. Valentine of some sort. I sent tags, but Valentine cards were something that was being done as well. So I got a little heart pick to start off with this one. This one's so cute already. Oh wow, that's really cute. Panda babies are my fave. Look at this cute pocket. I love that. You know how dumbstruck I get when I see Velcro. Wow, what a great idea. So first thing that's in here, really pretty sequin mix. You see that? Look at how pretty that is. And the little rose on top. That's so cute. Love it. I love this pocket. Where'd this come from? I put so many things in here. And right off the top, it looks like we have our Valentine. Love, I only have eyes for you. Look at the lash trim kind of sticking out all over. I really think he is so cute. I didn't really use a specific Valentine collection for mine, so I'm really excited to see everyone else's. You're so sweet. A little flip out there. Oh, look. That's so sweet. Little baby dice. Who doesn't love that? Oh, those are bows too. Those are great. I'll get a lot of use out of those. Thank you. That's really cute. Who is this from? I should have probably... Oh, here we go. Pia. Handmade with love by Pia. Insta is Pia Pie Art. I love that name, by the way. Okay, where was I? Look at that paper. All the little conversation hearts. So cute. This is so pretty. Look at the stitching. That's gorgeous. If there's one thing I like is some stitching. I grew up around my mother and my grandmother, and they were always sewing, so not that I can sew, but hey, nobody's perfect, right? Love is in the air. Look at that ribbon. That is so cute. I love this paper. That's beautiful, Pia. Chocolate. Yeah, I'm about that. Godiva. Belgian. I'll be taking care of that. When I actually got this, I was so excited. I wanted to open it because I wanted to eat the candy. And then I found a bag of Hershey's somewhere, Hershey's Kisses, and I was like, okay, I'm good. So we're going to open this little bag up. It's a cute bag, by the way. Of course, Sam's a little rough with this stuff and just rips it apart. Sorry. So rosettes, those are beautiful. Look at that. I'm stuck on you with the heart and the hollow. Who doesn't like hollow? Forever and ever and ever. A little candy truffle. That is so cute. I love what you put that on. Look at that paper. How pretty. That's so cute, Pia. Oh, look. Those are actually stickers. Valentine's Day stickers. Those are cute. And there's all the ones that are included. That's beautiful. I can't wait to use all that. Thank you, Kia. Beautiful. All right, next one. Who recognizes that? That's a Starbucks bag, boo. That's what that is. Sorry, my nose is kind of running because, I don't know. It just is. My allergies are kicking, I think. Sorry, lots of noise. I think I vaguely remember like seeing this unboxing, but like I said, I've seen quite a few. And then Patty, who's Mommy and Me, she's also doing like a little Cubit thing that I've been following. So I've been watching a lot of these videos, and I'm kind of like, at this point, which one was it and what did I see? That is so cute. Look at that. And then this pocket in the front, made out of the little felt heart. And she's got it kind of wrapped around. That's really cute. A little coffee cup with all of the sequin kind of sticking out. That's so pretty. Look at the bag. I'm all about that. I love those distress sprays and the mica sprays. Those are some of my favorite things to use whenever I craft, so I like that. Look how cute she wrapped that. The sparkle, though. I always save everything because I always end up using everything, so love it. Oh, that's like a little coffee cup. Wait, on the back you can kind of tell. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the lippies. That is so cute with the little ticket on there. I've actually seen some ticket die cuts and stamps that I think it was Tim Holtz that I really, really, really like. And I think I'm going to end up getting something like that because I really like the look of all those. That's beautiful. Thank you. What is this from? I'm always forgetting to like... We'll find out. Sorry. And there's a ribbon or a bow. So she did we could do 2 of the same or 1 of each. So she did a rosette and a bow. There's that little heart. That is really cute. I love that bow. Beautiful. Thanks, Bill. What else we got? Oh, look it. It's lined. So it's shaped like a heart and lined. That is adorable. I want a bunch of these. Okay? Okay. Here's a little felt heart. Lots of pretty little layers. Oh, here. Hi, crafty friend. Hope you enjoy the goodies made for you, Four Eyes Crafter. Michelle, I got yours. Yay. Fun. She tears into everything like a beast. You don't see me like throwing things around off camera. Okay, that is so cute. So it's a cup. How creative is this, I ask you? It's a cup, flattened out, all these cute little layers. Look at the little doily. And it says, just a cup of love. So freaking cute. Get. And then we got some lippies on the side with a little garment pin. Do we open this? Should I pause it while I untie this? Okay, I got it. I got it. But do I? Maybe not. Here, I'm going to take this off because I feel like it's kind of holding it together. Okay. Oh, the goodies. This is fantastic. Look at. It says Be Mine with all the little puffy hearts together. There's some more of that spray gold. Oh, velvet gold. The texture. Coffee cuppy. It's puffed up. Look at the torn edges. That is so cute. Acetate. Honey, this is so cute. Look at the little paper clip. More acetate. Look at that. How sweet it is. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Just send Sam a book with some pages in it and she's just all blah, blah, blah. Look how cute. There's Cupid, another little ticket, all these cute little pages for you to put all the things. That's so cute. I'm not addicted to coffee. We're just in a committed relationship. It's so cute. And there's a little coffee charm. That is adorable. At the back, it's been stamped. Be mine. Cute attention to detail. I love this. Look at that. Enjoy this sweet treat, Michele. Oh, I shall enjoy that. Thank you so much. That is so cute and so sweet, babe. Thanks. Be mine. Look, there's still more stash, but what a great idea, isn't it? A little coffee. Oh, she's so cute. Did you draw that? Is that baby Michele? Well, that's cute. That's all I know. Oh, and then there's all kinds of, I don't want to open this. All kinds of little goodies in here. Okay, I got it. So we got a cute little bag. Looky. A little tag that says love this. You can see it because of the glare. A little heart. Some sparkles. More little stickers, hearts, enamel dots. Some cute little stickers. That is adorable. I love it, Michele. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, what a great idea. I really like it too because it's like reusing, you know? I mean, how many times do you have like these cups at a party that are really cute that you did for a special occasion, but feel kind of bad throwing them away? Some of these can't be recycled depending on the area you live in, but I mean, look, I could just stash these and just redo them and use them for gift bags for people. That's such a great idea. I love stuff like that. Thank you. Oh, there's still more. Sorry. A little stir stick that says love. And there's your little Starbucks charm. That is so cute. Cute and crafty. I love it. And there's your Valentine card. I better do something with that. I'll end up poking myself. That's really pretty. I still haven't gotten to the point where I don't know, where I'm making cards. I will one day. I will. I'm just not there yet. You know, I'm a new girl. I still got a way to go with some things. Please be my Valentine. And the coffee cup said, okay. That's cute. And you can even see the emboss in the background with the coffee cups. That's cute. I love embossing stuff. That's so cute. So, and then she just kind of tucked it into the envelope. It's all blank inside, so it's up to me how I do it. Look at the envelope. That's really cute. Thank you, Michele. I love it. And then, what do I do? Where do I put these people? One more. I kind of have a feeling I know who this one is from. I'm a little excited because it was really cute in the video. Cute bag. Cute hugs and kisses. And look at a little dangle with little X's and O's in there. That's really cute. Little clay pieces. And then it's got like a little lobster clasp on the end. That's cute. Does it say anything? No, it doesn't. Okay. I recognize this. I remember giving this to someone when I sent them a big fat peach. I love this. Like, this will never get old. This thing is so squishy and so yummy. Get this open. Sorry. You already know. Sam does one take. Scissors. Caesars. I just don't like having to redo it, so sorry if you don't like noise, the sound of the bags. Sorry. Good God. Sam, get your life together. Oh, strawberries. What does that say? Handmade with love by Mommy and Me Crafts. Yay! Okay, let's just Dios mío. Appreciate the cuteness of it all. So it's like a little cafe. Can you see that? There's the window. Like, oh, so cute. Look at the little flowers, the detail. I love that rosette. Bubblegum machine. Look at the little flower. It looks like she did some glossy accents on it. A little chuck, more glossy accents, I think, on that one. Or is it a sticker? I don't know. It's cute. What is that? A little to and from. Oh. Another little rosette with dulce. Ugh. Sweet tooth is being satisfied. Yes. A little strawberry. I think there's a pencil on there. I'm going to try and take this out without... Goodness, this is cute. Okay. So here is pen. Looks like a little eraser. Oh, he's got a face. Stop. Yeah, this is so cute. I know Patty really likes novelty pens, so I do too. That works. And then we've got a little milkshake with little cherries on top. And look at the little straw. So cute. And then tucked inside is our sequin mix. And look how beautiful it is with the lips. With the besitos in there, with the besos. Lots of cute stuff. Look at the hearts, the clay pieces. Just so pretty. I love it. And I mean, goodness. I just put mine in a little container and everybody else is like so much, I don't know, packaging. All the things you guys make. I'm amazed. Still, always amazed at everything that all of you ladies do. I've learned so much from everyone in this community, and I've enjoyed being in these swaps. And the way people are using these little picks. So creative. So creative. Oh. And then there's your little velvet heart that was on that somehow or another. That's so cute. And here's candy. So cute. I don't want to take it apart. Oh my gosh. You see how that was wrapped? I've gotten one of her boxes, a little box before from a swap that we did before. And I'm just amazed still of the packaging that people, that all of you can do. Like it's, you know, no biggie. No biggie. It's shaped like a candy. Come on. And look. And there are her little bows. Let's see if I can get them. How cute are those? Aren't they cute? You heard the story of me trying to make some similar to that. My material is very different than this one's, and this one feels really nice and soft. Mine was a little harder to deal with, but I had to get with Patty and ask for some advice on how to do things. That is so cute. And then look, it's got like the little, what do you call it? The little table scatter from Dollar Tree. The little hearts. Those are so pretty. I bought a couple packages of those because I really, really like that. It's really pretty. This is just so nice. And look, there's a bunch of like, zhuzh down in there. That is so cute. Handmade by Mommy. Mommy and me. That's so cute. Look at that stitching. Let's take a moment to appreciate that. That is so cute. Well, ladies, that is it for me. Those are my 3 swaps that I got from these incredible women. Just beautiful. Like, I can't even. It's all so gorgeous. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you to Tamara for doing the swap and all the work that goes into hosting, which, you know, I don't even know because I've never done that, but I know that I appreciate it. So thank you again. I can't wait to see everyone else and their reveals as well. I will make sure to post links to everyone that's kind of tied into what I did today so you can check all these ladies out. All right. Love you guys. Besos. Bye.